La Rambla, just the name conjures up images of sunshine, sangria, and the infectious energy of Barcelona. It's more than just a street, it's the city's beating heart. Stretching from the bustling Plaça de Catalunya all the way down to the shimmering waterfront, La Rambla is a microcosm of Barcelona itself. You'll find locals going about their day, their faces reflecting years of stories etched into the very pavement. And of course, you'll find tourists from every corner of the globe drawn to the allure of this iconic promenade. Some might call it a tourist trap, but I call it a vibrant tapestry of humanity. It's a place where you can't help but get caught up in the rhythm of life. Our journey begins at Plaça de Catalunya, a grand plaza that feels like the center of the universe. This is where the old city meets the new, a chaotic yet strangely harmonious blend of traffic, pigeons, and people-watching opportunities. Take a moment to soak it all in before we plunge into the heart of La Rambla. One of the first landmarks you'll encounter is the Mercat de la Boqueria, a riot of colors, smells, and sounds that embodies the Catalan spirit. This isn't your average market. It's a temple to gastronomy, overflowing with fresh produce, seafood, meats, cheeses, and every imaginable culinary delight. Even if you don't buy anything, a wander through La Boqueria is a feast for the senses. My advice, come hungry. Grab a freshly squeezed juice or a cup of creamy horchata and wander through the stalls, taking in the sights and smells. Sample some local delicacies like Iberico ham or Manchego cheese. And don't be afraid to practice your Spanish with the friendly vendors. It's all part of the experience. La Rambla isn't just about the present, it's also a walk through history. As you stroll along, look down and you'll notice the intricate wave-patterned pavement designed by Miró, a playful reminder of the city's artistic spirit. Further down, you'll find the Gran Teatre del Liceu, Barcelona's opulent opera house, its grand facade whispering tales of a bygone era. Pause for a moment at the Font de Canaletes, a cast-iron fountain that holds a special place in the hearts of FC Barcelona fans. Legend has it that anyone who drinks from this fountain is destined to return to Barcelona. Whether you're a football enthusiast or not, a sip from the Font de Canaletes is a quintessential Barcelona experience. The architecture along La Rambla is a captivating blend of styles reflecting the city's rich history. You'll find grand Gothic buildings standing shoulder to shoulder with ornate modernista masterpieces, each with a story to tell. Take your time to admire the intricate details, the colourful facades and the wrought iron balconies adorned with vibrant flowers. These buildings are more than just structures, they are testaments to the generations of artists, architects and dreamers who have shaped Barcelona into the vibrant city it is today. As La Rambla nears its end, it opens up to the vast expanse of the waterfront, culminating at the Monument a Column, a towering column dedicated to Christopher Columbus. From here you can gaze out at the glittering Mediterranean, the salty breeze carrying with it the promise of adventure. Looking back at the bustling street you've just traversed, you realize that La Rambla is more than just a collection of landmarks and attractions. It's a living, breathing entity, constantly evolving yet always captivating. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the crowd, savor the flavors of Catalonia, and experience the soul of Barcelona. So the next time you find yourself in this enchanting city, make sure La Rambla is at the top of your list. It's a must visit, not just for the sights and sounds, but for the unforgettable experience it offers. Trust me, a stroll down La Rambla is a journey you won't soon forget. Discover the magic of La Rambla. Plan your Barcelona adventure today.